Hello fellows, this is another round of simple installation. Just bought a Shop-Vac wet and dry vacuum without a drainer. Gonna be quick and flash installation, thorough and simple. First, you take it out of the box. There is a red handle. You just press them backward, down, little pressure on it, open it. There is some stuff. You will find this, you will find the sleeves, foam sleeves, and you will find vacuum bag inside. You take all this stuff before you vacuum anything. Now, the first thing is very simple. You got 4 screws, you got 2 handles. 4 screws are from inside. It's gonna be from inside. 4 screws, 2 screws for each handle. Very simple. Flathead screwdriver. Let's do the job. And secondly, we have the casters or the wheels. It's 4 wheels. You know, just press on them, press hard, all the way down till they snap, and that's it. Very simple operation. Now, they're talking about this is the what they call it, the cartridge filter. They're talking about the sleeve, the foam sleeve, when for debris. It's preferred used when for dry pickup or a liquid with debris. So how to install the foam? This is probably the most challenging part here. It's not challenging, it's not hard. This is the lid. That's how this is cover the cage. Just twist, take it out. Take the cartridge out. Very simple. Slide the foam sleeve to the cage till it's covered all the way. Very simple. Cartridge back, filter. All the way down. Cover the lid. Snap. Very simple process. Upside down. Snap on it. Now we have the hose. Very simple. Plug it in. It's a plug-in process. And now we have the part holder. The part holder, we can just, you know, move the hose, make it easy. There is 2 sides here. Each side is gonna come. This side here is gonna snap to this slot here, to this opening, and opening this side, and just little press on it. That's for the parts, you know, for the extra hoses and stuff like that. Very simple process. And that's going to be it. Hopefully you find this video simple. Subscribe and like.